Samsung earlier this year announced a new Galaxy M series of budget and mid-range phones for India, taking on Xiaomi's popular Redmi series and such other phones. The next logical addition to the new Galaxy M series would be the Galaxy M40, and it would be fine to assume that its launch is just around the corner. I'll be telling you everything about Samsung Galaxy M40 right after this. So far, Galaxy M30 has been the most premium Galaxy M phone, but it might change soon as Samsung is working on a new Galaxy M40 smartphone with better specifications and features. The latest Galaxy M phone has been spotted on Geekbench benchmarking website. The listing gives away key details about the phone. Samsung upcoming Galaxy M40 will sport a similar, bigger 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. And for better performance, the phone will run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, which is top of the line 600 series processor. This is pretty much all we get from the Geekbench listing, apart from the single core score of 2350 and multi-core score of 6410. We still have no clue about what the Galaxy M40 will look like, but considering it's a mid-range and it will keep in line with other Galaxy M phones, it's safe to assume it will be an Infinity U water drop display, which will be an AMOLED one. And since it will be an AMOLED display, we might see an in-screen fingerprint scanner as well. Note that Samsung Galaxy M40 was rumored to run on in-house 7904 or 9610 Exynos processor, but thank God it's Qualcomm's Snapdragon 675. This device will come with 6 GB of RAM according to reports. Samsung Galaxy M40 will launch with triple rear camera setup and Android Pie out of the box with one UI skin on top. Coming to cameras, its main sensor will feature a 48 megapixel sensor, which is Samsung's own GM1, which could be found in Redmi Note 7, which uses pixel pinning technology. In addition to that, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor as well. And for selfie camera, it will be a 25 megapixel camera. As for pricing, we expect the Galaxy M40 to slot between 15,000 to 20,000 segment, as the Galaxy M30 started at Rs 15k while the Galaxy M20 around 10k and the Galaxy M10 falls even below. Until further leaks, stay subscribed and peace out.